How to find your Google Chrome operating system. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to find your Google Chrome operating system. It's so easy and quick, so let's start. First thing, go to your Google Chrome. Now click on those 3 points up there and click on settings. Scroll down and now click on the last option, which is about Chrome. In here you're gonna find operating system. uh, it's the second choice and it's your information about your Google Chrome operating system. So this is it guys, it's so easy and quick. Hope this video was helpful to you, and if you like the video don't forget to subscribe and also don't forget to like.